Hello, today I'm going to show you how I make my tea. And while we have the water boiling, I'm going to show you what it is specifically I like to use. I like I like black tea, Earl Grey, green tea. But one of my favorites that I like to use is almost every other day or every day is this specific Antioxidant Max Dragon Fruit Melon by Celestial Seasonings. And the reason being is that it has the highest content of antioxidants that I've seen so far in the teas that I drink. It has 162 milligrams, which is really, really good. So, I don't use sugar in my tea. I will add a little bit of this ginger tea. It's just crushed ginger with real honey. And there it is right there. Delicious crushed ginger and honey, really good for you. But I also like to add, and I'm running out, I'm gonna have to go get some more, this citron miel, or citron honey. That fruit is kind of like an orange, a little bit sweeter, I believe, but I think I read that it has like the equivalency of 4 oranges, the vitamin C of 4 oranges, which is really, really nice. And then to that, I'm going to just squeeze a fresh lime, and that's the tea. You can use whatever tea you want. It's a natural antioxidant as it is on its own. Just blending and adding a little bit more citrus with natural elements like honey, which is a natural antibiotic, and ginger, just boosts up that antioxidant that your body can probably use right now. Or every other day, or every day. So, yeah, there it is. You guys take care, God bless, be safe, be well, and thanks for watching.